Hello everyone, this is Punang Snup and you are here on my YouTube channel Punang Tripsu. Hope everyone are doing good. Friends, today I'll show you how to convert PDF scanned document, image, photo to Word without using any additional software. So let's go to my laptop screen and start the video without wasting time. Okay, in order to convert your image file to Word document, firstly you need to go to your Windows logo and after that click on all programs. Once you click on it, go to Microsoft Office. So once you go to Microsoft Office folder, search for Microsoft Office OneNote. So in my case it is here. Once you find that, click it out there. So once you click on it, it will show you something like this. So maximize this and after that click here. Once you click on it, just leave it like that for some time and after that you need to search the image of which you want to convert it to Word. Okay, so in my case, let me minimize this. I wanted to convert this image or photo to Word. So in order to do that, you just need to copy this, and after that go to your OneNote, go there and after that right click, paste. So once you paste that, click it out here and after that right click. Once you right click on it, you will find an option copy text from picture. Click there and after that come to the right and after that come to the right and then click once and after that paste. So once you paste that, it will convert it to text. Those image of this, it will be convert it to text. So in order to convert this text to MS Word, you need to copy this, select all and then copy this, and after that go to your Microsoft Office, maximize and after that paste it out here and this is how you can change image to Microsoft Word. Friends, before I proceed to my next trick, I would like to request you all that if you have learned something from my video, please press the like button and also share the link of my videos to your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and put the bell notification to all so that whenever I upload new videos on my channel, you'll get to see my video notification on your phone screen. Next trick, how to change your PDF document to Word. For that trick, you need to follow the steps which I'm going to show you in my laptop screen. For that, you need to have internet connectivity in your computer or laptop. Once you are ready with your internet connectivity in your PC or laptop, go to Google. After going to the Google, you need to type here Google Drive. Press enter and after that here you will find an option sign in. Click it out here. Once you click on it, you will find this kind of dashboard of Google Drive. On the upper part you will find My Drive. Click it out here and after that upload the file of PDF which you wanted to convert it to Word. So in my case, I'll just upload the files from my desktop. Okay, I'll just upload a file. Okay, I'll just upload a PDF file for my desktop. Okay, open. So once it is done, it will show something like this. Right click on it, and after that open with Google Doc. So once you click on that, you need to wait for some time. Okay, let me just show you that PDF file. The PDF file which I try to convert is this one. Okay, just wait. Okay, please wait for some time. So this is a PDF file. This is a PDF file, and then after uploading it to my Google Drive, it's showing like this, like that, like this. And after that, if you wanted to convert this to Word document, you need to go to File, and after that Download, and then Microsoft Word. Click it out there, and then once you click on that, it will automatically download after converting PDF to Word. So let's see whether it has converted or not. Okay, you need to wait for some time. Okay, let me just open this. Okay, and now your PDF format has been changed to Word document. So you can edit it from here as long as you wish. Like you can just edit. Okay, and that's how you can change your PDF document to Word through Google Drive. If you are in a hurry of converting your scanned documents, image or PDF to Word document, don't worry. I'll show you in my laptop screen how to do that. Friends, you might find so many websites in Google for converting PDF to Word, but most of them doesn't work or convert the document perfectly to Word. And in some other websites, you may find paid version of conversion from PDF to Word. But trust me friends, this is the best free website which I really prefer to use for converting PDF or image to Word. You should try it out and explore yourself. If you can't get into the link, I will be putting the link in the description. Kindly check it out from there. Okay, let me show you the demo. For that, you need to go to Google Chrome. Once you go to the Google Chrome, here on the search bar you need to type online OCR.net. Online OCR.net. So once you type that, press enter, and after that you will find this kind of dashboard out here. So on below that you will find select file. So from here, if you want to convert PDF to Word or image to Word, you can select it out from here. So in my case, I will just try to show you the demo of converting image to Word. So let me select an image file for my desktop. Okay, I will just select an image file. Okay, let me just select this and then upload. So once it is upload, press on convert, and you need to wait for some time. Okay, so once it is done, it will show download output file. So click on that. So after that it will download it automatically. So like open, so that's how you can convert image to Word. So these all can be edited. You can edit anything out here. So that's how you can convert it online to image to Word. Next, let me show you a demo of this BTF to Word also. Let me just select a BTF file for my desktop. PDF. Okay, let me just select this, and after that open. Okay, right now I have selected one PDF file for my desktop. Okay, for that, if you want to convert it to Microsoft Word, you need to press a convert. So you need to wait for it for some time. So once it is done, once converting is done, you will receive one file out here, download output file. So click it out here, and then it will automatically download. So you need to wait for some time. So once the download is complete, you can just open it up from here. Open. Okay. So that's how you can convert the BTF file to Word. And then last trick, friends, whenever some of your friends ask you the website link of your college, institution or university, what do? You usually give them the web link address, but instead of that, if you want to send them a barcode of your college web link, then in that process you need to go to your website. In my case, let me just go to my website. Okay, this is my website. So like, if someone asks my website link, means the barcode of my website, in that cases you need to click on the right side, and then there will come out an option, create QR code for this page. So click it out here. So once you click on that, it will come out like this. Download it from here, and then share this barcode with your friends. So you can share this barcode with your friends. Okay then friends, that's all for today. See you all in my next video again. Take care and stay safe. Keep supporting. Thank you.